Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back with another break. Today, doing a blaster box of 2020 Topps Big League Baseball. 10 packs plus one bonus pack. Look for exclusive blue parallel autograph cards inside. Collect all 4 cards found exclusively on each value box. Cut here for your Mike Trout card. Give you an early start on trimming cards, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't seen any breaks. I haven't purposely looked for it. Didn't even kind of realize it was out until I saw it tonight. So figured I'd grab just a box. 21 or $22 for this. I think it's kind of a set more so geared towards younger collectors. How many cards is it per? Well, here, I'll show you guys the odds. You can pause that and check that out. Big League Autographs 1 in 208 packs. Bonus pack includes 5 exclusive blue parallels, 10 cards per pack. So there you go. So yeah, let's see what this is all about. 2020 Topps Big League Baseball. Oh wow, that's actually... I figured it would just be like blank cardboard on the back from the box. And actually, if you look down in there, it actually does have stats and stuff on it. So, cool. That's a little better than I thought. I don't think I'll cut mine out. I'll just leave it the way it is. So, no, I guess the box itself can kind of be collectible. I'm sure younger kids will just cut it out. But, no, I'll leave it. Alright, well the blues are pretty cool looking. Just do these first. Actually like that color. Nice deep blue. Alright, so we got Kevin Newman, Anthony Rendon, JD Martinez, runs scored leaders, and Dansby Swanson. Those are actually really sharp. It's actually a pretty nice photograph. Alright, on to the regular packs. Pack number 1, let's see what this is all about. I think I did some last year. Wilson Contreras. Pretty simple design, nothing fancy. Look, it's full borders. Why can't they do that? Willie Adames or Adams, Paul DeJong, Jock Peterson, Joey Votto. Got an orange, Roberto Perez orange. Not numbered. Surprising. Thought that would have been numbered. DJ LeMahieu, defensive wizard insert. Just kind of a basic card design. Giancarlo Stanton, Steven Strasburg, and Andrelton Simmons. Oh, Mike Trout on the back. Oh, I guess orange are 1 per pack. Angels highlights, Corey Kluber. Big League Best, batting average leaders, Yadier Molina, Danny Santana. Roll call, Bo Bichette. Roll call insert. Orange of Dallas Keuchel with a nice little indented line down the middle. Because why not? Victor Robles, Jose Abreu, and Mike Trout. Definitely a very thin cardstock, kind of like Archives. Autograph would be pretty cool. Alright. Highlights, Justin Verlander, Jeff Samardzija, Ian Desmond. Pretty nice shot. CC Sabathia. That's some pretty nice photos in this. David Peralta, Brendan McKay, rookie. I think that's our first rookie card. Let's see. Was this like a big league sketch? Vladimir Guerrero. Star caricature reproduction. So yeah, basically a sketch. Mike Soroka, orange. Robinson Cano, and Nelson Cruz. Yeah, I think just one rookie card so far. Wins leaders, American League. Daniel Vogelbach, Jonathan Scope. Home run leaders, AL. Anthony Rendon, Hunter Dozier, orange. Flipping out, Vladimir Guerrero, Jr., insert. Mike Soroka, Zach Wheeler, and Josh Hader, award winners. Another Trout. Bryce Harper, Jose Barrios, Jesus Luzardo, rookie. Alex Young, rookie. Now we're hitting some rookies. Jose Ramirez, Mike Trout, defensive Wizards, insert. Kyle Schwarber, orange. Actually, kind of a cool photograph they used. Dakota Hudson, Mike Minor, and Mike Trout highlights. Ahmed Rosario, Zach Greinke, CJ Cron, Yasmani Grandal, DJ LeMahieu. Autograph. Managed to hit one. So that's pretty cool. Kirby Yates, big league autographs. Not numbered, but still pretty cool to hit an autograph, especially out of something like big league. 1 in 208 packs, so the odds are not in your favor. So there you guys go. Kirby Yates, big league autograph. Safe to say I've never pulled an autograph of him, so I'll take an autograph. Roll call, Juan Soto. So angry. Or happy. Maybe that's his happy face. Zach Wheeler, orange. Cole Calhoun, and Mookie Betts. So weird seeing him in a Dodgers uniform. Alright. Trey Turner, Zach Collins, rookie. Kevin Biggio, Trent Grissom, rookie. Walker Buehler. Big League Best AL Innings Pitched leaders, orange. Fernando Tatis, caricature, insert. Runs scored leaders for the AL, Corey Seager, and David Price. Still 3 packs. Chris Paddock, Cody Bellinger, award winners, Freddie Galvis. Stolen base leaders for the AL, Oscar Mercado, Jorge Soler, flipping out, insert. Blake Snell, orange. RBI for the AL leaders, Brandon Belt, and Sonny Gray. Cole Hamels, Brian Reynolds, Javier Baez, Daniel Murphy. Saves leaders for the NL, Mitch Haniger, George Springer, defensive Wizards insert. Josh Hader, orange, award winners. ERA leaders for the NL, and Shane Bieber. Alright, last pack. Nelson Cruz, Kevin Kiermaier, Jordan Alvarez, highlights, rookie, I guess. Not like a main base rookie. Salvador Perez, Harold Ramirez, Chris Bryant, orange. Roll call, DeGrom, insert. Whit Merrifield, innings pitched leaders for the NL, and D. Gordon. So there you guys go. That's a blaster box of 2020 Topps Big League Baseball. A few rookies here. Not as many as I'd hoped for, but Jordan Alvarez, highlights rookie. Brendan McKay, rookie. Looks like 1 orange per pack. A couple of okay names in there. Blake Snell, Josh Hader, Bryant's okay. Really like the photo on the Schwarber. Let's see. The Blues, Rendon, Martinez. I like the Martinez. Swanson. Stack of inserts here. And hidden autograph. Kirby Yates. This is a sticker autograph. Big League autograph. So there you guys go. That is a blaster box of 2020 Topps Big League Baseball. Like I said, it's kind of geared towards younger collectors. But figured I would break it. I like to kind of show you guys a look at some of the newer products. Especially retail. Hobby stuff is just so expensive now. But there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.